going? Yeah.
So what?
So we had a problem with the mast on Grateful, and we had to take the mainsail down, and now we are at a marina in Ibiza for the night to fix the mast. We have a pin that we need to replace, so that's what we're doing now, and we have a great spot here.
Yeah, it is a great spot.
To do some boat work.
Got it off, good.
So Jacob, what are you doing?
Doing maintenance.
Dwayne's putting you to work?
Yes, I'm in school. I'm in school right now. But can't imagine a better place for going to school.
Yeah, Ibiza, Old
Yeah.
Town.
Good. Take that thing out. Okay, and then the other thing we have to do, we need those needle nose pliers. Top drawer on the right. Is it going?
Yeah.
We have a little tiny pin here. Do not lose that. Remember that game?
Operation?
Yeah. I was never very good at that. But somehow, here I am. Well, now it should come out. Oh. Wow. This piece of cake, look at that. See that?
Yeah, this one.
I see what happens. Now there's 4 screws here that come off. Try to follow me.
Okay. Cool. I don't.
I really need that press. Those big turbine engines.
Yeah.
They sound cool.
Cool. I got the shot.
Get the essence of what's going on. It's kind of funny, you think about this big fucking boat, right? You come comes down to just little tiny things like this. That hole for you there. That's nice. Where did this come from? Now, I think
So what's the update, you guys?
We're ready to leave in 10 minutes.
Ready? Up?
Uh-oh, I gotta go grocery shopping.
Yeah, you do actually.
Okay.
Okay. Got it back on. Now we need to tie the out haul on. The what?
No, not tutorial.
No tutorial? Yeah, a little knot tutorial there. They go out of the hole,
Inside the hole.
around the tree, back of the hole again. Actually, what's his name was here the other day, and he's
One and only.
okay.
That's
You can
it.
turn the crank there a little bit, and then go ahead. Keep the tension on this. Going. Go ahead.
Some more.
Okay.
Wire
So,
is blocked.
right. All right. Now just hang on.
Yeah.
Okay, go. And that's good.